Assalamu alaikum and a very good afternoon. Today is Saturday and as usual we have Ielts mock test. So today I'm going to take you where I conduct my mock test. Let's go. First of all, you can see Asad Yaqub Ielts Masterclass Fairways. Fairways is one of the halls here in Royal Palm Golf and Country Club where I conduct my test, right? So we are going to go to Fairways first and I show you that hall. Alright, so look here, this is 4th floor. So actually Fairways is on 4th floor and there I conduct my Ielts classes, my mock test and all that. Instead of renting a small place for Ielts Institute, I decided to rent a big place, and this is the same venue where British Council people, they conduct their Ielts tests. So I can afford that. Whatever I charge my students, 70 to 80% of that I pay these people. And see, 4th floor, and we come over here. The good thing is when you come over here, we have the sanitizer. So I'm going to use the sanitizer. And they have provided us with masks as well. Right, let's go inside. Wow, that's awesome. Good. See, all our luggage. Now, these are the things which we have to transport every day. I mean, all this stuff, it's always there in the trunk of my car, and I have to bring this stuff along every day when I come for my Irish classes. And the days are Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Let's go. I show you the tables and then I'll show you some terraces here. This is the view. A wonderful view you can see, right? And if I need to use any screen like multimedia, for multimedia I use this. And sometimes, come here, I do the speaking tests over here. This is the place for speaking test. So we have the table. I put that table here and then a chair. You might have seen some of my videos, right? So I make those videos here, speaking videos. Come on, let's go. Yasin, मैं आ रहा हूँ, भी आपको join करता हूँ. Okay? Yes. So you can see all these tables. You can see these tables. There is one thing, because now summer is about to start. So students, whenever they get any thirst or they become thirsty, they can always drink water here. We only provide water as refreshment, okay? We don't offer tea, coffee facilities because we don't charge that much from the students, so we can't afford that. And there is that corner as well. Sometimes I do speaking in that corner. All right, let's go outside. it. Headphones are all adjusted and I have checked the sound quality and everything. So we are going to go on and we're going to record everything now. Okay, mock test. Be ready for mock test listening. After that, we'll move on to reading and then writing and speaking. Okay. So during the mock test now we have a short break, and when we have the break we actually order some stuff, some food stuff, and today you can see we've got some cookies. Along with the cookies we have sandwiches, and after that we are going to have tea and all that. So this is how we balance our work and fun, because work and fun should be balanced together, otherwise you feel bored and you don't enjoy it. So at the same time I will answer my WhatsApp messages also. Yasin is there for invigilation, and once I'm done with this stuff, with eating stuff and tea stuff and all that, then I would go back in there, and Yasin is going to come back here and he's going to have his tea, and then we will go back for invigilation. Right now reading test is going on. It will continue for around an hour, and after that we'll have writing and then speaking. I have to conduct speaking test of all these candidates as well, one by one. We'll record that for you as well. Okay, so I'm gonna eat the stuff now. Okay, whenever I eat anything here, especially, I always keep the share of the birds. I separate the share of the birds. Now, these are for the birds, and that is for the big bird. Big bird is my colleague Yasin. He is actually, my big bird. So let's arrange a plate for the birds here. They love to eat these sandwiches. So I'm just going to arrange a plate for the birds. Right, and then here. Along with this, we give some sweet dish to the birds as well. Along with this stuff, we have some sweet dishes for the birds as well. So let's make a separate platter for that. This is going to be a separate platter for the birds. Birds like to eat these cookies very much, because birds don't eat cookies usually, but these birds, birds are not given the cookies, but what we do, we give them the cookies. Let's give this one as well. And these cookies are as good as for human consumption. No, I'll eat this myself, huh? Alright, one more. I make pieces in different size. The big ones are for the crows and the small ones are for the sparrows. Now, let's see where the birds are. Okay guys, so finally we are done with our mock test. This is team Asad Yaqub with me, Yasin Hafiz, Shumaila, and we are just done with our mock test. And right now it's 8 o'clock. It's after 8 o'clock. We came here at 2 o'clock and now it's 8 o'clock, so we are going back home. So hard work is key to success, and we've been working hard together for the last 11 years. Right, we've been together and we've been working on Ielts and other stuff. Before that we were working on other things as well. So hard work is the key to success. But you see, only that is not the only thing. There is that is only the tip of the iceberg. Whenever you see someone being successful, that is just the tip of the iceberg. Iceberg is hidden in water, and today I tried to show you the hidden part of iceberg. All the best, guys. Thank you very, very much. I conduct IELTS classes here in Royal Palm. I conduct mock tests here in Royal Palm, and I teach IELTS online all over the world. If you want to be the part of my online IELTS classes, you can join me there. Asad Yaqub and
Yasin Hafiz
and we all wish you best of luck. Okay, so that's the end. Now I'll go to the parking and there I'll take my car and go back home. Thanks for staying with me, and I will wait for your comments on this video. And you can just comment about this whole thing. You can comment. All the best. Good thing is they've got very nice parking over here, so we don't have any issue. Even thousands of cars can be parked here, and this is inside parking where there are the security guards and all that, so no issues. And by the way, that's the place up there where I have my classes, upstairs, above the light, above that light. Okay, yeah, so let's go towards my car. And one more thing I would like to show, you can just see. I showed you all the things and we still have more things. Yes sir, please, you can put these things as well. Okay, so thank you very much. It's more like one day with Asad Yaqub. All the best. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. And as we are going to go out, they've got very beautiful fire there. They've got the things, so we'll just show you that as well, right?